Here we are. We found our room. We're on a cabana balcony. My picture comes up right there. The door turns green. And in we go. Let's see what we have here. I have a little closet that has the life jackets in it right there. Checking it out. Shelves, drawers. We're in the room. What do we have here? Ooh, that's a pretty closet. Lots of space, lots of hangers. More space to put things away. Now I will say, if you're short, you might have some trouble reaching that. I can reach it. I'm 5'6", but I can imagine that could be a problem if you're under 5 feet. Otherwise, beautiful. Let's turn around this way. Here's our bathroom. Plenty of room to put things in the bathroom, and look at this. Real glass doors, which is new to Princess ships and will be much appreciated. This is a really nice size shower. Good job, Princess. All right, let's go on down. We have a mirror right here. Space to put more things. I'm guessing that this is the, refrigerator down there. And then there's this really nice long couch. Love it. Love a nice long couch. And Mary and I are sharing the room, and we have Jessie with us. So this is going to be perfect for us. Let's take a look at the rest of the cabana section. In the cabana rooms, there's this little, they're like sunrooms off the bedroom before we get to all the way out on the balcony. And there's a nice big TV in here. That's very cool. Okay, this is cool. Princess has put a lock way up high here on the door so that if you've got little ones, they can't reach to get the door open. I love that. Thanks, Princess, for a new safety feature. Here we go outside the door. Nice big balcony. It's very deep. I like that. Let's turn around here. We're still in port, so there's nothing to look at. But let's take a look at how deep this balcony is. Really, really nice. Ooh, and check out these doors. Let's see what we can do with them. Ho ho! Look at there, I just opened the whole thing up. So now, oh my goodness, is this crazy? Now my balcony is wide open all the way in to where the first couch is. And I could either close the door here if I wanted to the bedroom area, or this could be cut off in thirds, or I can have it all the way open. How cool is that? Close the door again. It's a little humid out there today, so there's the switches right there to open and close the door. And I'm going to close this one as well until we get out to sea. And let's close this safety lock because I have my 4-year-old grandson with me. This is beautiful. Back into our stateroom. Very, very nice. We're going to have a great time in here. This is Pam Cheek. More coming of the Sun Princess on its maiden voyage out of the United States.